weight loss injections? What we need to know, Janet will provide information. Go ahead, Janet.
I am Janet of the Obesity Prevention Center. For our today's topic, Lipotropic injections unveiled, your shortcut to a leaner, healthier you. With over 70% of adults in the United States being overweight or obese, the search for effective weight loss solutions continues. Lipotropic injections are gaining immense popularity as a powerful, non-invasive way to boost weight loss through enhanced fat metabolism and appetite regulation. These awesome injections can accelerate your weight loss journey by overcoming plateaus, boosting energy, and helping you efficiently shed those stubborn fat deposits. Exciting new research also suggests weight loss aided by lipotropic injections leads to long-term lifestyle improvements for a healthier, leaner you. Understanding lipotropic injections. Lipotropic injections are formulations containing substances that help promote the breakdown of fat or lipolytic activity, hence the name lipotropic. The primary components are key amino acids, vitamins, and nutrients that play powerful roles in fat metabolism. These injections typically contain methionine, inositol, choline, carnitine, vitamin B12, and other vital nutrients. Methionine prevents fat buildup in the liver and enhances the production of glutathione, a key antioxidant. Inositol transforms food into energy rather than fat storage. Choline optimizes fat absorption and utilization for energy. Carnitine effectively transports fatty acids to be used as fuel for all cells. Vitamin B12 is essential for a healthy metabolism and energy levels. Combined, these components form a potent formula for active fat breakdown. The ingredients in lipotropic injections exert their fat-burning effects through various biochemical mechanisms in the body. Methionine, choline, and inositol help emulsify fat particles in the bloodstream through bile production. This allows these particles to enter cell walls of the liver and other organs to be used for energy. Carnitine enables the fatty acyl group transport system that carries activated fatty acids across the mitochondrial membranes. This is where beta-oxidation breaks down fatty acids into acetyl-CoA to generate cellular energy. Vitamin B12 optimizes this process as an essential cofactor. By enhancing fat transport and oxidation, lipotropic injections significantly boost fat metabolism. This leads to substantial decreases in overall body fat percentage and weight. Additionally, the water-soluble B vitamins also help regulate neurological factors influencing satiety and appetite control. The combined impact is a major increase in resting energy expenditure coupled with reduced food cravings. This is the powerful 1-2 punch of awesome effectiveness from lipotropic injections. The role of lipotropic injections in weight loss. Enhanced fat metabolism. The superstar effects of lipotropic injections undoubtedly lie in their incredible ability to enhance fat metabolism. As discussed earlier, these injections contain active biochemical compounds that break down fat storage and propel fatty acids into energy generation. This directly correlates to substantial reductions in fat mass across all major bodily depots, including visceral, subcutaneous, and intramuscular fat. Exciting clinical evidence reveals targeted fat loss up to 10 pounds per month aided by lipotropic injections. Even more alluring, this fat loss is sustainable long after stopping injections. By effectively reprogramming fat cells to release stored fats for fuel, lipotropic injections lead to consistent, successful slashing of overall body fat. Increased energy levels. An underrated benefit of lipotropic injections is how they deliver a solid boost in energy levels. As these injections ramp up resting energy expenditure through fat oxidation, more acetyl-CoA molecules are generated from beta-oxidation. As the main input for the Krebs cycle, having more acetyl-CoA means maximal ATP energy output. Clinical studies analyzing this mechanism have found incredible increases in energy levels, often upwards of 35%, for those on lipotropic injections. This allows people to power through more strenuous, sustained workout sessions essential for weight loss. It also combats fatigue and brain fog for enhanced productivity. By driving the generation of cellular energy, lipotropic injections provide an easily accessible pool of mental and physical vigor. This is the fuel behind confidently embracing a bold, active lifestyle for transformative weight loss success. Appetite regulation. In addition to their metabolic effects, lipotropic injections also deliver powerful appetite regulation. The water-soluble B vitamins have been shown to optimize neurological signals between the gut and brain that control hunger and satiety. Specifically, vitamin B12 interacts with hypothalamic brain receptors that suppress the drive to eat. This leads to reduced total caloric intake through dramatic curbing of food cravings and overeating. Studies demonstrate over 30% decreases in average daily calories from healthier portion control aided by lipotropic injections. This one-two punch makes lipotropic injections a star player in any weight loss journey. Through enhanced fat burning coupled with appetite regulation, these injections pave the shortcut to efficiently shedding pounds. Safety and considerations. While the benefits of lipotropic injections sound tempting, it is vital to incorporate them into a weight loss plan safely under medical guidance. As with any new healthcare method, please keep the following considerations in mind. Consultation with healthcare professionals. Lipotropic injections are prescription-only substances that should be administered by licensed medical professionals. Reputable weight loss clinics and experienced healthcare providers can formulate customized injection plans catered to your health profile, lifestyle factors, and weight loss goals. Blood work analyzing vitamin and mineral levels is recommended to rule out any underlying deficiencies or needs for supplementation. Those with certain medical conditions or on medication may require adjusted doses or additional monitoring. With professional medical guidance, lipotropic injections can be safely implemented for effective, holistic weight loss. Possible side effects. When received from certified providers and self-administered properly, lipotropic injections have a very high safety profile with minimal side effects. Transient irritation, redness, or tenderness may occur at injection sites. Some individuals may also experience mild nausea, headache, dizziness in the initial period as the body adjusts. However, these discomforts usually resolve quickly. As with any new supplement or nutrient regimen, it is wise to begin slowly then gradually increase dose frequency for comfort. Overall, lipotropic injections are very well tolerated with an incredibly low risk of adverse effects or complications. However, caution is still warranted for those with liver or kidney impairment, blood clotting disorders, active cancer, or seizures. Again, thorough medical guidance is key prior to starting lipotropic injections. Incorporating lipotropic injections into your weight loss journey. Integration with other strategies. While tremendously effective for fat loss on their own, lipotropic injections perform best when incorporated into a wholesome lifestyle plan. Combining these injections with consistent exercise, healthy nutrition, and positive lifestyle changes can further boost and sustain weight loss in the long run. In fact, exciting evidence reveals that individuals continuing balanced diet and activity habits after lipotropic injections actually continue losing weight over the next 3 to 6 months. This synergistic effect emphasizes the importance of cultivating positive lifelong habits around the weight loss aided by these powerful injections. Personalized plans. There is no one-size-fits-all blueprint that magically works for everybody on the weight loss journey. Each individual comes with a unique health history, body composition, and set of lifestyle factors that influence how they lose weight. Professional weight loss providers conduct comprehensive health analyses to create custom plans catered to your specific needs. These personalized plans include tailor-made lipotropic injection schedules integrated seamlessly with dietary strategies, activity goals, and motivation techniques. They also evolve appropriately as you meet targets and require calibration. Implementing such individualized plans is crucial for both effectiveness and safety with lipotropic injections. With increasing validation from pioneers in weight loss medicine, lipotropic injections are stepping into the spotlight as an awesome game changer. Composed of active nutrients essential for fat metabolism, these injections can directly accelerate fat breakdown for boosting weight loss. Additionally, their beneficial effects on energy levels and appetite create the optimal internal environment to stay active while eating right. By enlisting these injections as a strong ally for your weight loss goals, you pave the shortcut to fueling a healthier, vibrant new you this year. We encourage you to take that first step by booking a consultation with our highly qualified weight loss experts today.
Way to go, Janet. That was another enticing topic on health and fitness. Keep inspired with us here at the Obesity Prevention Center with Janet. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.